Google Meet, Google Doc, Google Sheets, make it stop. You don't need to know it, we gon' bring it to you, show it, cause it's TECHTIP. Get ready, are you ready, cause it's Tech Tip Tuesday.
TECHTIP, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday. TECHTIP, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with your Tech Tip Tuesday. If you love fun fonts like I do, I have the website for you, textgiraffe.com. It's a free logo maker, so you could make your Google slide presentations or Google Docs a little more exciting. So you're just going to type in whatever word you would like to use, or logo or phrase. I'm going to type in Brackman. And then it has page upon page of logos for you that you could click through and find one that you like, that you want to use for your presentation. So I'm going to go back to the beginning because I already started one, and you're just going to click on it. You always want to click on it to bring it to the higher res file right here. Okay. And then you're going to click and drag it over. And then from here, I could just click and drag it and drop it right into my presentation. And then you always want to use the diagonal sizing handles when changing the size of your image, so it keeps the scaling. Okay. Then you can change the size. And voila, I have a beautiful cover to my Google Slide presentation. Hey Bulldogs, so one of my favorite website is canva.com. You could also download the app on your phone. This is amazing for creating graphics, but what I love most is right here when you click on school, there are a ton of different things already made for you that you could edit. So we have a lesson plan template in here. We have worksheets, which I love. And you'll see all the different ones that you could click through, and these are all editable. So you could change this to whatever you would like it to look. You could change the color schemes, you could change the fonts, and so on. And it's very user-friendly. So canva.com is a definite must-have for teachers and teachers of all ages. Right here, you'll see there's number tracing, there's letter tracing in here, anything and everything you could possibly need. So check it out. Hey Bulldogs, if you are looking for a fun timer to count down your students, Mr. Timer on YouTube is for you. So it has the best music with themes that you could choose from for your students to count them down. So just click on it and play, and it plays this lovely music and counts your students down. Have a great day, Bulldogs. I'll see you next week for Tech Tip Tuesday.